Hello beautiful people, welcome to Mercy with the Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieve a beautiful table setting for summer. I got the lanterns from the thrift store. They were on sale for 50% off. I think I paid $1 or $1.50 for both. I will paint them, they look like new. Those Garland sunflower come from Amazon. I think I paid $6.99 for both. Guys, if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. It's kind of TV station. And if you're not new, you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so right now. To all my current subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you, and keep on watching. Those are fresh lemons because the one on Amazon is more expensive. The artificial one is more expensive, so I went to Walmart to get myself some pretty fresh lemon to elevate the look of the table, to make it real summer-like. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, et grand merci pour votre support, je vous aime. The Placemats from Amazon. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur la chaîne. Si c'est la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est Merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager la vidéo. Par là pour la première fois, moi dis merci un peu pour support. I'm going to leave everything that I use in the description box down below for you guys to check them out. Guys, I'm in the process of changing my small apartment for summer. And you guys, if you have a smaller space, don't worry, I got you. The size really do matter, but sometimes if you don't have the size, you can make whatever you have very luxurious for less. I got the wine glass from Home Goods. Guys, they're extremely beautiful. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what do you think if you like it. If you do, don't forget to smash me with some thumbs up and share it. If you want to save some money and have some decent quality of flowers, check Walmart. I got the sunflowers from Walmart and they're pretty nice. I didn't the table to be too green or too yellow. I know I did a good ass job. Guys, let me know what do you think. Leave a comment down below. I'm working on several projects for this summer. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for when I start posting those videos so you'll be the first to know, guys. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!